Right now, market trends are having a big impact on our industry. Every day you hear about companies having challenges to stay afloat, to keep their employees, to keep their expertise, trying to deal in a low oil price environment and succeed and get through this time period is a challenge for the companies. I think the FPSO industry can work better together through a few common themes we've heard today about human behavior, about cultural issues. You know, in the past, the adversarial relationships, commercial and contractual, between companies and operators, that's really not sustainable in a low oil cost environment. We have to find ways to partner up, to trust each other a little more, to set up commercial contracting strategies where we both can feel like our needs are being met, but we can efficiently process the projects. Well, I think there's a lot of immediate short-term impacts on the industry. What we're seeing right now is a lot of cost reduction already being passed through. So certain aspects of the industry, the cost savings get passed through sooner, like drilling, the subsea installation guys. The FPSO contractors are seeing price reductions from their shipyards, their topside module yards. But we need to make these sustainable cost reductions. So it isn't just, as we heard from one speaker this morning, about the margins. It has to be some fundamental changes. We heard today about some changes that oil companies need to do and how we contract it, how we engage with our contractors, and then how we execute in a way to lower the cost basis. That's starting to happen. We're seeing that. We're seeing capital cost reductions come in our tendering that we're doing right now. We're seeing 30 to 40% reductions come in compared to as recently as January, February, some of the preliminary market indications. So the industry's trying to respond. It's tough. Humans trying to figure out how to survive in this industry where we have the memory of how we did projects before. That's tough for humans to change the culture, to change the behavior. Yeah, my event highlight of the FPSO Congress actually was walking into the hall and seeing 700 chairs filled with people that are interested in this subject and how we can respond, how the market can respond, how the industry can respond to do cost-effective projects in a low oil price environment. There was a lot of people committed there, a lot of smart people, a lot of good experience. So you hope that we can find a way to get through this tighter times and have a more sustainable business model.